Youth Director, Youth Service Director, Deva.
Sir, very well. Start பண்ணுங்க sir.
Thank you.
I am ready.
Deva.
Okay. A very good evening to one and all. I welcome you all to this historic installation of new road track of Kilpax Medical College. We are really honored. So I would like to call our President, Dr. Ramesh Babu. And I kindly request him to call the meeting to order.
The installation function of Road Track Club of Kilpax Medical College is called to order.
Thank you. And I kindly request our Treasurer, Rotarian V.V. Raghu Chakravarti, to render the Rotary prayer and the four-way test. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, Rotarians and President and Secretary.
And the Rotractors.
And the Rotractors. Okay, Bob. Thank you. And Rotary prayers, sir. Oh God, Creator and Father of mankind, we thank Thee for inspiring our founder the principles of Rotary based on high ideals of morality. We implore Thee to help us Rotarians meeting here to imbibe deeply the true Rotary spirit and to labor incessantly for the establishment of peace and goodwill among all people, for the elimination of all bars of color, creed and clime, for the removal of economic and social barriers, for the proper understanding of the sanctity of human personality and the dignity of labor, so that all individuals, all families and all nations may live in amity and fellowship and unite around the holy feet and hail Thee as Thou really art. Our one true, eternal, all-loving Father. Four-way test, sir. It is the truth. It is fair to all concerned. It will build good and better friendships. It will be beneficial to all concerned. Thank you, sir. Rotary prayers, four-way test.
Thank you so much, Rotarian Raghu Chakravarti. Now, yes, I kindly request our ever energetic and enthusiastic President, Rotarian Dr. S. Ramesh Babu, to welcome the gathering.
The chief guest of the day, Rotarian Selvakumar, who is the chairman of District Rotract, District 3232. The other members of Rotary Club of Chennai Gemini, senior member Rotarian Dr. J.V. Krishnamurthy, Secretary Mr. Anindya Ghosh, Treasurer Rotarian Raghu Chakravarti, the Club Service Director Rotarian Sujata Ramesh Babu, Youth Service Director Rotarian Devendran, and I think Professor Veerakumar, who is the staff in charge of Rotary Club of Kilpax Medical College. He himself was a Rotractor as a student. So, and fellow Rotractors, the president of Rotary Club of Kilpax Medical College is going to be the president Rohin Karthik, and the secretary Rajashri, the treasurer Bhupesh, fellow Rotarians, and I think there are other invitees also, district officials, district DRRs, and others who have joined this program. I welcome every one of you for this wonderful event. I think as our MC was mentioning, this is an historic event because the Rotary Club of Chennai Gemini previously had a Rotary Club. It was a community-based club. I think for the first time, we are having a college-based Rotary Club. I think that too, the Rotary Club of is going to be at a medical college. See, as you all know, the MBBS students, they are the cream of the society, of the student community. And you are going to take over the Rotary Club of Kilpax Medical College, and you are going to form it. And you are going to take it to a greater heights and newer heights. I know about Kilpax Medical College because I myself was an old student of Kilpax Medical College as the postgraduate. I did my diploma in orthopedics and MS in orthopedics at Kilpax Medical College. And I'm sure with the energetic team, we will be doing more and more to the society with the help of you people, young people. That is why in Rotary, both Rotary and Rotaract Club, they are given equal importance. They are like two wings of a bird. Together, we can fly newer heights and reach and achieve our goals faster, quicker, efficiently. So that is why we want young people like you to join this NGO, which is a internationally renowned non-governmental organization. The Rotary International is a well-structured organization. So there are very good norms and procedures and rules and regulations for each and every thing which you do. So even the Rotaract Club, even though it is a new one, I think when Professor Veerakumar was a student, he was a Rotaractor, and he held I think he was the president of Rotaract Club of Kilpauk Medical College at that time. Unfortunately, there has been not much interaction, and now we could revive it. Thanks to the efforts of Professor Veerakumar, he only identified Rohin Karthik, and from there onwards, we started building it up. And I should also thank the Dean of Kilpauk Medical College, who readily accepted to start this Rotaract Club at Kilpauk Medical College. And Rotarian Selvakumar, he was always encouraging us. You should start, and don't worry, I'm always there behind you to register it and make sure the Rotaract Club of Kilpauk Medical College will be revived once again. And I should thank the efforts taken by Devendran, who was also instrumental in bringing out. And every day he used to tell, when are we going to start the Rotaract Club? When are we going to start? That was a stimulus for me and made me to achieve it within a short span of 1 month. It was there was some delay in organizing things, especially in this period of COVID-19, because everyone is in a different place. For example, our President Bhupesh Karthik is in Coimbatore. Rohin Karthik is in Coimbatore. And Rajashri is in Sivakasi. And the treasurer is in Mettur. Bhupesh is in Mettur. So it's so difficult, but still with your cooperation, it is possible and we could achieve it, and we are today. And I should thank our DG, Rotarian AKS Muthupalaniappan, who has readily accepted to be a part of this event. He is going to join us shortly, and we are going to have a wonderful evening and a good installation function. And I think all of us can sit back and relax and enjoy. And we welcome to the world of Rotary. I also welcome you all for to be a Rotaractor, to be a proud Rotaractor. That is what you all should have, and we should feel proud to be a Rotaractor. And I'm sure together we can do many things, whatever which cannot be possible individually. As a team, we can achieve it. So with this, I welcome each and every one of you for this wonderful function. It is something which we all feel as a Rotarian, as a Geminian, we all feel proud to welcome you all into our family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for the wonderful welcome address. And now, without further ado, we are going to introduce the new team headed by Rohin Karthik. Yes, we are all waiting, Rohin. So let's see who are all a part of your team.
Yeah, AV is going to be prepared by the Rotaractors themselves.
Wonderful, Rohan. Beautiful team you have, and you are starting like our year is T20, right? And you're starting with a big bang, a big team for you. And as Dr. Ramesh Babu was saying, medicos, very hard to catch hold of them, but you could get so many people. So all the very best to you. Now I kindly request Dr. Ramesh Babu to induct you as the president. No, first I'll give you the oath. Yeah, I kindly request the office bearers to hold their hand like this, your right hand this way, all the office bearers, all the directors, president, secretary, and treasurer. And I request Rohin to repeat after me. Yeah, Rajeshri, hold your hand like this, Bhubesh, and all the directors, whoever said they were the directors. Yeah, I do solemnly swear that
I do solemnly swear that
I will sincerely execute
I will sincerely execute
the office of president,
the office of president,
whoever the other posts are, you can just think about it and you can say it to yourselves, of the Rotary Club of
the Rotary Club of
Kilpack Medical
the
College.
Rotary Club of
Yeah,
Kilpack Medical College,
and shall do my best to keep up the decorum of a Rotaract movement by upholding the Constitution and statement of policy of our organization. Hearty congratulations to President of Rotaract Club of Kilpack Medical College.
And the secretary, treasurer, and the other office bearers. Next, we will request the members to take the oath. All the other members, as previously so told, you can keep your right hand like this.
Are you deputing anyone to repeat after me? Rajeshri?
Padma Priya.
Yeah, Padma Priya, unmute yourself and hold your hand like this and repeat after me. All the members of the club. I do solemnly promise that I will sincerely serve as a member of this Rotaract Club of Kilpack Medical College and shall at all times uphold the ideals and principles of this organization. Hearty congratulations to all the Rotaract members of Kilpack Medical College. Now I kindly request our President, Dr. Ramesh Babu, to induct or to declare.
All the members of Rotaract Club of Kilpack Medical College are hereby called Rotaractors. I now request the President, Rohin Karthik, to receive the collar from his father. I request Rohin's father to collar Rohin Karthik.
And we request your mother to give,
Gavel,
congratulations.
he received the gavel from the mother. Congratulations. And father can again put the pin as the president of Rotaract Club. I request others also to have the pin. Secretary can have the pin and treasurer can have the pin. Other directors will receive the pins little later.
Are you wearing a pin, Rajeshri? You got it? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Very good.
Bhupesh.
Bhuvesh is here.
Hi,
Yes,
sir.
Bhuvesh. You're also wearing it. Very good.
Very good.
Congratulations, treasurer.
Congratulations, treasurer. Congratulations,
Thank you,
secretary,
thank you,
Rajeshri.
And,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Congratulations to all the new office bearers of the Rotaract Club. Yeah, and now I kindly request our newly inducted Rotaract President, Rohan Karthik, to give us acceptance speech. Rohan?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Good evening to everyone. It's been such an honor to be a part of such a beautiful organization. We are thankful for, especially for Veerakumar sir, who initiated this about the information about Rotary Club. If it isn't for him, we would have never thought or known about the Rotary Club before. And next to Ramesh Babu sir, who took all the hard work, because all the official work was done by him alone. Like, we didn't even do anything much. We were just sitting at home and doing our work, simply nothing. But he did a lot of other works. He said he built he organized for this banner, our medals, our pins, and everything. And he alone consulted our dean ma'am. We didn't even talk to our officials for this club. It was all done by Dr. Ramesh Babu sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Veerakumar did it.
Thank you so much, Veerakumar sir. It's been such an honor. It's all because of you. There is a Rotary Club in KMC once again. Thank you so much, sir. And we also like to thank Vasanta Mani ma'am, our dean, for accepting the proposal given forward to her. And we also like to thank Rotarian Selvakumar sir and district chairman and Rotarian yes, Muthu Palniappan sir, for our district governor. Thank you so much for giving us such an opportunity to work under you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rohan. We would like to recognize the presence of our AG, Nandagopal, and the DRR, Rotractor PP Anbarasu. This is our AG, Nandagopal. Welcome, sir. DRR Anbarasu. Welcome, DRR Anbarasu.
Yeah, hi. Nandagopal sir, has DG come yet? Okay. And okay, we would like to move forward with the felicitations. So now I kindly request the coordinator of Rotaract Club of Kilpauk Medical College, Professor Dr. S. Veerakumar, to felicitate. Few words, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, all Rotaractors. And I was not a president, general secretary for Rotaract Club when I was an undergraduate. We did lot of camps, and we did the renovation of the park of KMC, which was done by me, and there was a lot of help from the parent Rotaract Club, which was from T Nagar. And now after Ramesh Babu sir initiated it, I talked to Dean Madam. Dean Madam was not aware of all these things, and she was actually reluctant to first give the permission. I assured her that everything will be under control, and I will take care, and we'll do a lot of medical camps, and we'll get some services from the Rotaract, and she was convinced. And I hope all the Rotaractors of KMC will keep up the word and do the best to the Rotaract Club, and keep up the name of Gemini Rotaract Club. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Professor.
much.
Thank you, Professor.
That was very sweet and short. Very, very nice, sir. Thank you so much. And we have another gentleman who has been guiding and taking Gemini to great heights. I kindly request our advisor and guru, Rotarian Dr. J.V. Krishnamurthy, to felicitate.
Unmute.
Hello, am I audible, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Veerakumar, for the installation function. You have come and guided us. It's a proud moment for Rotary Club. What is Rotary? I would like to enlighten the Rotary members. They all must be wondering what is a Rotary. Rotary is a service organization doing humanitarian services for the past 115 years. Their services are unlimited. They can do any number of services. Under Rotary, they have got many subsidiary units like Intra Club, Rotary Club. For school going students, we have got Intra Club. For college going students, we have got the Rotary clubs. These clubs develop their leadership qualities for the members. And today, it is a proud moment that the Rotary Club of Gemini, Chennai, with about 2,03,537 members, active members. In our RI district 3232, we have got about 130 Rotary clubs functioning. For kind of information, I recollect that Laila College, a neighboring college, has got one of the largest number of Rotary clubs, and their finance is very, very sound, and they do wonderful projects. And for the, I congratulate the president of our Rotary Club, Rohin Karthik, and the 3 members. Now, Rohin, you will be no more a Mr. Now you can prefix RTR. Rotary, R is a capital, T and R is a small letter. You all will be known as Rotary Club, Rohini Karthik, and our members. And another thing is that Rohin and your members, you become the charter members of the club, and this will be giving you a lot of fillip to you in the years to come. Rotary collects only for the chartering of this Rotary club $50,000 $50 for which the club will be paying, and you'll be getting a charter which will be almost like a license. And with this, another important thing for the young broadcasters, I would like to say, today you have to be officially called by your own old student, Dr. S. Ramesh Babu, who happens to be the current president of Rotary Club of Chennai, Gemini. Another unique feature is many of the alumni, past students of KMC, are the pillars of Rotary Club of Chennai, Gemini, and you will all become one day or other, I'm sure, the members of Rotary Club of Chennai, Gemini. Thank you for the opportunity given. I wish you all the best. Thank you, sir.
Wonderful words of wisdom, sir. We really enjoyed and hope the road tractors also have taken it. It's a great word, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
DRR Anbarasu, do you want to say a few words?
Sir, good evening, sir. Good evening, all the Rotarians.
He will say.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Rotary Club of Chennai, Gemini is initiating the new club of Rotary Club of Government Kilpauk Medical College. Thank you so much, Rotarian Dr. Ramesh Babu, sir, President, and Secretary Anandya ma'am, and Youth Service Director Devendran, sir, and guest of honor, the Chief Guest of the day, Rotarian Selvakumar, sir, and our District Governor, Rotarian Muthupaniamban, sir, and the newly installed President Rohin, and the wonderful road tractors from Rotary Club of Government College of Government Kilpauk Medical College. We welcome you all for this wonderful new world for you. Rotary movement is a wonderful place. You can learn many things from it, as like sir rightly mentioned. If we join in college, we will never get degree unless until we finish the exam. But if you join in Rotary, you will get a degree which we can use it before your name. That's called RTR. It's a 3-word degree which you will get it before your name, and it will help you in connecting all around the world. It's a wonderful organization connected with all around the globe. Despite this pandemic, we are really happy that we have got a new baby for our district, our district 3232. Thank you so much, Rotary Club Chennai, Gemini, for giving us a wonderful institute because I'm really happy because Kilpauk is always connected to me because I'm a DJ. I have visited Pradeshni event. I played many Pradeshni event as well in this culture. This is a famous culture which organized in Kilpauk Medical College. I was there for many years, but coming to road track, so it will be a wonderful opportunity to develop more than as well. If you are studying in college, you will be educated, but if you are in road track, you will get more people connected because now we are connecting to all those world because if you are being a student, you can connect to the Rotary. Rotary will be a parents always, and many more things you will learn because நாலு அவனியோ சர்வீஸ் இருக்கு லைக் கிளப் சர்வீஸ் கம்யூனிட்டி இன்டர்நேஷனல் அண்ட் ப்ரொஃபஷனல் இந்த நாலு அவனியோ சர்வீஸ்லயுமே நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நீங்க இனிமே கத்துக்க போறீங்க அதுல ஃபியூச்சரா கண்டிப்பா டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ரோட்டரி கவுன்சில் வில் தேர் டு சப்போர்ட் திஸ் நியூ பார்ன் பேபி to all the extent from our side. Thank you so much Sello Kumar sir also supporting to bring up new club, and this is 132 club in our district. And we are the world largest district in terms of membership. We have 27,560 road tractors. So அதுல நீங்களும் ஒரு பார்ட்டா இருக்க போறீங்க and you guys and நீங்க டாக்டரா வந்து நிறைய விஷயங்கள் சாதிக்க போறீங்க. So my best wishes for your education as well, and thanks for the wonderful opportunity to be here. Thank you so much Rotary Club of Gemini to inviting me, and from District Rotary Council, I wish you all the best, and definitely I will keep in touch with Rogan. I will call you tomorrow and we'll speak more about, and let's as Rotary theme says, Rotary opens opportunity. We are there to give more opportunity to develop yourself, and welcome to the world of world of Rotary. Rotary opens opportunity. It's time to lead. Endru Manbudan Mungal DRR. Thank you.
Beautiful DRR Anbarasu. Fantastic. We really enjoyed and very, very motivating. So now I kindly request my co-AG, AG Nandagopal, to say, felicitate. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. President Ramesh Babu, who is still a road tractor. I don't think he's a Rotarian. He's still younger to be a road tractor.
Sir, நீங்க தான் பாக்கிறதுக்கு road tractor மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க.
Thank you, Doctor. His gracious spouse, AG Sojata, Secretary Anindya, Devendran, and District Chair Selva Kumar, and congratulations to the newly elected President Karthik and all the road tractors of KMC. Wishing you all a great year of service, which will continue as the years go by. You have a lovely mentor in Dr. Ramesh Babu, and you have a lovely mentor in our DG, Mr. Muthupalniappan, who will be always there to support you. And he is our T20 governor. So you can expect that every ball is going to be watched, and your action will be noted by everybody. Just before joining this meeting, I was part of a palliative care meeting where Dr. Mallika said a very beautiful word which I want to share to all you doctors. It says, there is an end to cure, but there is no end to caring. I would like you to take this message with you when you do all your service projects. And I can see that our DG has come in. It's been a pleasure to always welcome my good friend, our DG, Mr. Muthupalniappan, a graduate in civil engineering. Today he stands tall as the chairman of Chetnad Housing with over 1 million square feet of projects. He joined Rotary Club of Central Ayutthaya in 1997, went on to become its president in 2009-10, where he took the club to greater heights. And like a true leader, he set the role and he became a major donor first before asking his members to do so. And the club got the Platinum Award for that year. Our DJ has got many firsts, like he has been very active in all the district roads he's been doing. When Chennai was hit with floods, he along with his team, in a month, they were able to mobilize and rehabilitate 6,500 families at a cost of 2.2 crores. Gentlemen, this is possible only when you have a fantastic leader and a good team. He is a very good team leader, and we are all glad to be under him because he allows the team to perform. A recipient of many awards, the best being the Meritorious Service Award in 2016. He and his spouse Kamala have donated more than $250,000 to the foundation, which will come back to our district for helping people. So here, dear road directors, a small help by you in serving Rotary is going to come back to us manyfold. With these few words, I'm going to request our DG to enlighten you because he has got a lot of, I don't want to take away his words from his mouth. So over to you, DG.
Welcome you, sir, and the floor is yours.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Assistant Governor Nanda, for the nice words of introduction. President of Rotary Club of Gemini, Dr. Ramesh Babu, and First Lady of the club and Assistant Governor for our district, Sujata Ramesh Babu, Assistant Governor Nanda Gopal, Chief Guest for today's evening, my good friend Rotary Chair for District 3232, Selva Kumar, the newly inducted, newly chartered Rotary Club of Government Kilpauk Medical College President Rohin Karthik, Secretary for Gemini Anindya Ghosh, Youth Service Director Devendran, my dear Rotractors, my dear fellow Rotarians, and Janets and other invited friends. Good evening and Vanakkam. My good friend DRR Anbu is also here. I recognize his presence. Today should be a memorable day for Gemini as well as for our district. Why so? Any addition to Rotary is a welcome addition, I would say. That too in the Rotaract movement, which is the future of Rotary, I would say. Our Rotary International President, Holger Knack, or any president for that matter in the last 4 or 5 years, they have been talking about strengthening the Rotaract movement. While I say strengthening the Rotaract movement, our district stands tall in the Rotaract movement across the globe. We are one of the largest Rotaract district in the world, and as our DRR Anbu has been telling, we have the largest contingent of Rotaractors, and we do a phenomenal amount of activities in the Rotaract fold. And today, there is another addition, which is a real meaningful addition to the Rotaract movement, I would say. Why so? Because doctors are doing God's own work on earth, I would say. They have been doing this all along. But today, under the pandemic situation, you all know how blessed we are to have such wonderful doctors like President Ramesh Kumar and many, many others who are out on the field. Like here at the war field, they are fighting against the unknown pandemic virus, coronavirus. So that way today, from Government Kilpauk Medical College, a Rotary Club is coming up, the welcome sign, and we welcome you to the Rotary fold. With happily we welcome you, first of all. Friends, you all know Rotary is an international organization present in more than 200 countries, and 1.2 million Rotarians are there. Who are Rotarians? Rotarians are successful leaders in their own occasion, like President Dr. Ramesh Babu, who is a very successful doctor who runs one of the best hospitals in city, Spot Hospitals. Like Nanda Kumar, who is a leading exporter, leading consultant. Like me, I am a builder in Chennai. And I can name each and every one of us sitting here are leaders in our own field, I would say. Having been successful in our own field, we have pledged ourselves to be a Rotarian. Why? What is the need to become a Rotarian? To enhance our own leadership skill, to strengthen our own professional skills as well as leadership skills. That is the very purpose of it, and develop friendship and networking in that process. This is what happens in Rotary. So Rotary thought this should be carried forward, or they should be extended to the youth who are going to be the future of Rotary, that is Rotaractors. At the college level, we have the Rotaract in place. So today you have joined one of the finest movement in Rotary, Rotaract, which has gained a lot of importance in Rotary in the last couple of years. And today you have the equal status of a Rotary club, which you will all come to know during a lot of orientation program, which will happen through Rotary Club of Gemini. You are like a Rotary club. Only thing, you are a college student. You are undergoing certain course, and we are in a different field altogether. That is the difference. Otherwise, every activity that we do, you are also capable of doing. Sharing friendship and networking with fellow Rotaractors is that you are going to experience in the coming days. And you would have been explained about the 5 avenues of service: club service, community service, occasional service, international service, and new generation service, where you will be extending your time, talent, and treasure. As doctors, as budding doctors, you are known for service. You have got the inclination to do service. Any doctor, I would say, without that inclination not have chosen that field. An engineer can be a different personality, or an auditor or an advocate can be in a different mind frame. But being a doctor, having chosen to become a doctor, you have already set your mind in terms of helping the needy, doing community service. Of course, for certain remuneration you do, but service at the mind. This is what a doctor I would say, because my daughter is also a budding doctor. She is in internship. I know how passionate she is about the medical profession. She is sacrificing herself. I said, do you really want to COVID ward? I said, because the posting came for COVID ward. And I said, should you really go? Can I put some pressure in the university and tell them to shift your duty to some other ward? I said, no, there is a golden opportunity for me to experience what is happening inside the COVID ward. Let me go ahead and do that work. So what she did, she moved out of our house and she is staying in an apartment, taking a single bedroom in Prestige Bella Vista and going to the college to ensure that we don't get affected because of COVID. She is going to COVID ward now and then, and she is coming back and staying in her own apartment. So that sort of service mindset is always there in any of the medical student, I would say. Today, we are blessed. We are happy to have you in our fold as Rotary Club of Government Kilpauk Medical College. In our district, we are known for a lot of health-related programs. We do quite a lot of health-related activities at the club level, at the district level. So in almost many of the activities, you can take part and extend your service. Gemini is known for that, and they are going to mentor you. They are going to guide you in such a way that you will be one of the outstanding Rotary Club in our district in the years to come. Why in the years to come? Even before the end of this year, you are going to be recognized by DRR Anbu during the award ceremony as one of the budding Rotary clubs, emerging Rotary clubs, #1 in the district. That honor is going to come to you because you are under the fold of Rotary Club of Gemini. Gemini has been doing phenomenal work every year, and this year under the leadership of Dr. Ramesh Babu and Sujata, they are completely sacrificing their time, effort and talent for Rotary, I would say. Thank you, President and AG Sujata, for that. So friends, you are in for an exciting journey through Rotary. My best wishes to all of you. President Rohin Karthik, you will be a different leader from now onwards. You might be a leader in different form earlier, but being a Rotary leader, it's going to change your life forever. And please pass on this experience to your own Rotary Club members. Allow them to take part in various activities as a leader in small subgroups, and let them also experience the leadership in small components. Create a lot of opportunities for them to get involved in various activities and make them a successful Rotaractor. Let it be a benefit to them also. With this, I thank Rotary Club of Gemini for having me here, and best wishes once again to Rotary Club of Government Kilpauk Medical College. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Those were really very, very inspiring and intriguing to the Rotaractors and to Geminians as well. Thank you so much for sparing time and being here with us on this wonderful evening, sir. Thanks a lot. We truly appreciate it. Yes. And now I kindly request our Rotarian Devendran to introduce our chief guest for the day, Rotaract Chair, Rotarian S. Selvakumar, to this August gathering.
Good evening, dear President, DG, Chief Guest Selvakumar, AG Nandagopal, Dr. Veerakumar, District Dignitaries, Rotarians, and Rotaract President Rohit Karthik, DRR Anbarasu, Rotaractors, friends. I am in great pleasure in introducing today's chief guest of this program, RA District 3232 Rotaract Chair, Rotarian S. Selvakumar, Cosmos Club, Chennai. Rotarian S. Selvakumar did his education from the Madras Christian College School and pursued and completed his graduation at BSc Chemistry in Loyola College and did his PG in History. Also, he completed his LLB degree from RKM Law University, Chittoor. Also, he is continued to study ML in Madras University. He is passionate sportsman. He captained his cricket team and played second division cricket. He is an entrepreneur and owner of Vadapani Enterprises and Tilak Enterprises. In his Rotary career, he joined in Rotary Club of Madras Cosmos in 2013. He became the club secretary in 2014 and 15. The president he was the president in the Silver Jubilee year of the club And during his tenure, he launched a new Rotary Club that is called Rotary Club of Chulemedu. He was the assistant governor in 2019-20, and he is married and Geeta in 2000. They're blessed with 2 wonderful children. Their son Tilak is doing his first year of engineering in SSN College, and daughter Geetana is in 10th standard. Now I welcome our district Rotary Chair, Rotarian Selvakumar, to deliver his speech.
Thank you, Devendran, for your elaborate introduction. District Governor AKS Rotarian S. Muthupalaniyappan, T20 President Rotarian Dr. S. Ramesh Babu, Director Youth Service Rotarian S. Devendran, Secretary Rotarian Anushya Ghosh, and my co-president Dr. Sujata, AG Nandakumar, DRR Past President Anbarasu, and members of Rotary Club of Chennai, Germany, members of Rotary Club of KMC, Rotarians, Rotaractors, and guests. Pleasant good evening. Rotaract is the acronym for Rotary in Action. The role of today's youth is simply to renew and refresh the current status of our society, including leadership, innovation, skills, and etc. This will enhance the economic well-being as the social life of the citizen whom we are going to serve. First, I'd like to thank and my best wishes to the Rotaractor Logit Karthik for taking this presidentship and his team to do this wonderful job in this coming year with the help of the Rotary Club of Chennai, Germany. And as a new club, starting today, I will give a small introduction about Rotaract. Rotaract originally began as a Rotary International Youth Program in 1968 at Charlotte North Rotary Club in North Carolina, USA. It's a Rotary-sponsored organization of over 10,900 clubs spread around the world and has a total membership of around 2.5 lakhs Rotaractors in 184 countries. Out of this, our district, RI 3232, is the single largest district with a massive membership of around 27,500 Rotaractors spread over 132 and odd clubs. The Rotary clubs are classified into college-based and community-based. College-based clubs are run backed by the educational institutions, while the community-based clubs have working members. The Rotaractors are in the age groups of 18 to 30 years, but recently, RI has removed the upper age limit. RI has allowed the district to fix their own upper limit, and it is in our district, it has been fixed as 35 years. Aims and object of the to start a new Rotary club is develop professional and leadership skills, emphasize respect for the right of others, and to promote ethical standards and the dignity of all useful occupations, provide opportunities for young people to address the needs and concern of the community and our world, provide opportunity for working in cooperation with sponsoring Rotary clubs, motivate young people for eventual membership in Rotary. I would like to touch on foundation. Now in RI is recognizing a Rotary club in the name of Rotaract Giving Certificate. The club will receive a special certificate signed by the Rotary Foundation Trustee Chair, which at least 5 members of your club contributes a minimum total of $50 or more to the Rotary Foundation over the Rotary year. As you are the new Rotaract club, you will be recognized to the RI if you sponsor the $50 this year, and it will be much appreciated by the RI as a new Rotary clubs. You are doing this, and in Rotary we are doing a lot of projects. It's mainly for the Rotaractors, for you only. Some of your projects is that it's running now is Dil Se, come and sing from your heart. The event done by the club is Rotary Club of Chennai Hallmark, and essay competition on United Nations World Peace Day. Topic is Shaping Peace Together, which is done by Rotary District International Service. And we are doing a lot of LILAs and career guidance programs and a lot of drawing competition also. This is all done mainly for your Rotaractors. You can ask your DR Anbu and Secretary Isaki for more information. and they will guide you for to attend the Rotary projects. And one main thing I want to speak here is World Heart Day. We are inviting all the Rotary and the Rotaractors to participate in one of its international heart-to-heart seminar, which is going to happen on 27th September, next Sunday, 5 to 7 p.m. through virtual Zoom, in which we are going to bring the world-renowned chief guest, tennis legend Padma Shri Vijay Amartharaj, and we are going to also bring some sports commentator and UN Peace Ambassador. Which is main thing is what is the use of attending the World Heart Day program is that we are going to spread the awareness on non-communicable disease causes 60% death in the age group of 35 to 70 years, and 60 million or 1 to 4 deaths per year are due to heart attack. Six reputed cardiologists from India will discuss on heart attack and its management, heart failure, valve disease, and rhythm distributions, prevention of heart disease. The 6 cardiologists are Dr. Nitish Naik from AIIMS, New Delhi, and Dr. S. Prabhakar, cardiologist from Chennai, Dr. Kandi Das from VM Birla, Kolkata, and Dr. K.V. Natarajan, Amrita Institute from Kochi, and Dr. Sadanand Shetty is from Mumbai, and Dr. Sai Satish from Apollo Hospital, Chennai. And I want to discuss one more important information to the new president. Thus, to maintain active certified status from RI, the club president shall update club and membership information to RI each year, no later than 30th June. Failure to submit update clubs and membership information to RI in a 2-year period will result in termination. So I request the current president to kindly update the next year president so that you can transact smoothly to the next year president. And my message to all the Rotaractors is that we must grow our service, the impact of our project, but most importantly, we must grow our membership so that we can achieve more. Thank you all for the opportunity, and I wish you all a safe and healthy life. May you all catch the opportunity which are going to open and lead. Good luck and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Rotarian Selvakumar. That was very, very informative and a great insight into Rotaract activities and all the future activities as well. So all good things should come to an end. So this end is only for a new beginning. So I kindly request our Secretary Anindya Ghosh to deliver the vote of thanks.
Am I audible? Because yeah. I'm not at my home, so
you are audible.
The network is also not. Thank you. Okay, I'll keep it as short and simple as possible. I would like to thank first of all DG AKS Muthu Palaniappan to have made time to have come to and grace this occasion. Rotarian Selvakumar, AG Rotarian Nandakumar, who has been so supportive always, and my president, Dr. Ramesh Babu, and AG Rotarian Sujata, and all my fellow Rotarians. Yes, first of all, thanks goes a lot to you, definitely. And I would also like to, thank DRR Anbarasan for giving us such a lovely, inspiring speech, and introduction into the Rotary and the Rotaract activities. And DG, I would like to thank you for bringing us, for mentioning in your speech, in your inspiring speech, that the kind of, efforts that our president and Sujata ma'am are putting in is awesome. And I'm sure that this year we'll be able to take our club into greater heights. Thank you so much. And to all the new Rotaractors, you are blessed. Believe me, you are blessed, and you should be feeling proud that so many people have come here today, gathered today to induct you into Rotaract. And that's actually a privilege. So Rohin Karthik and your team, all the best wishes to you. Please, carry on. have the service attitude on, and do service for the society, for the community, and you will see that you will definitely turn out into great doctors. We wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Over to Rotarian Sujata, please.
Yeah, thank you so much, Anindya. That was wonderful, very, very sweet of you. Yeah, and now we will all rise for the national anthem, and then we will adjourn the meeting. Thanks so much.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Baba.
Rohin, Karthik, both of us can adjourn the meeting together.
You have your gavel in your hand, and yeah, adjourn the meeting, both of you.
The installation meeting of Rotary Club of Kilpauk Medical College is adjourned.
Adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
so
DG
much.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Selva Kumar.
Thank you, DG sir. Thank you, Ramesh Babu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the kind words. Thank you.
Thank you, DG. Thank you, Doctor.
For the Rotary Act,
Yes, sir.